Jet, Jerome, Dizzy, Mira, Paul, Donny. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours with super wings. Let's start with Jerome. Jerome is on the blue can. Blue. And we have Chase from Paw Patrol. Awesome! And we have Jerome. Next we have Donny, who's on the yellow can. Yellow. Cheeky cherries. And here we have Donny. Mira on the green can. Green. Lyra heartstrings. And we have Rocky from Paw Patrol. Next we have Paul, and Paul is on the orange can. Orange. We have Ben from Thomas and Friends. Choo choo. Pluto.
Squish, 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 squish.
Next we have Jet, and Jet is on the red can. Red.
Shoo.
And here we have a red dyed sheep.
Meh, meh. Meh. Meh.
And last of all, we have Dizzy, and she's on the pink tub. Pink. And we have Jilly Jam, who's a petkin.
Whee!
Who's this? And we have Dizzy. Wow, she's super cool. Can you remember all the colours we've used today? Red, green, orange, pink, blue, yellow.